Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today we're gonna talk about something different. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got 3300ZX Twin Turbo, an R30 Skyline, a Nissan Hardbody that I will be working on this winter. Yes, I said it. I will. And I also recently have purchased an S15 Sylvia. So yeah, if you are 21 and younger, stop, watch a cat video, watch something else, anything else, because being a car enthusiast is absolutely detrimental to your financial health. So now warning that out of the way, let's talk about some products. So we all know this is Canada, winter is here, all the cars are in hibernation mood. But us car enthusiasts usually take this time to plan for what's coming next. So you see this stuff on the bed, except the toys. They're in preparation for the R32 to go see a mechanic, and I will talk about those. But today I wanted to talk about something very important, something very serious, and basically TPMS sensors. A lot of us who like older vehicles obviously don't have a TPMS sensor. You need one of these. Here's why. When it comes to your vehicle putting the power down, the only contact patch between your vehicle and the road is those tires. So you need to know the tires are properly inflated. As a matter of fact, for a lot of veteran car enthusiasts, it's pretty easy. You can look at it and you will know right away, okay, I need a little bit more air. But another problem with tires is heat. In wintertime, forget it. In summertime, you need to know your tires are in optimal temperature before you start pushing your car. Without that, you see a lot of issues, like you see wheel spin, uncontrollable wheel spin, your tires or your car may behave differently what it shouldn't do, and that ends up in a lot of accidents, especially if your tires are cold, you take a corner spiritedly, you may fishtail, you may understeer, oversteer, you name it, anything can happen. You may end up losing your vehicle, your life. So having a product on your tire which will tell you what your tire temperature is very crucial for a lot of car enthusiasts out there, and that is why I'm going to be talking about this product, an aftermarket TPMS sensor. I'm not sponsored or anything. I actually purchased it from Amazon, link in the description. The reason I went with this product than any other ones, because this product does tire temperature on top of the PSI. So let's show you how it works, and we go from there. All right, so I'm upstairs. Outside, not upstairs. Hope you guys can hear me. It's pretty windy today. Oh, you beautiful. Okay, let's show you the kit inside. This thing is actually powered by solar, so you don't have to worry about, charging it or keeping it plugged in. And these units, they communicate through a low voltage Bluetooth, and they have individual button batteries inside. And the other thing is they are labeled front left, front right, and whatnot. So when it comes to the installation, I already took the caps off, and they also came with this washer kind of thing. So you're supposed to put this on first and then screw on these sensors. Now the manufacturer specified these came paired with the unit, but for some reason, if it doesn't work, there's a procedure to pair it. I will show you that. If it doesn't work, if it works, I won't show you. So front left, front right. It's pretty much just screw it in. Ooh. So you are supposed to, once it's screwed in all the way, you're supposed to back in the washer. Where is it? They also recommended, once you screw it in, to use a soapy water solution, just to make sure nothing is leaking. I'm not going to do that today. I'll see if it leaks. Oh, okay. I see the front's 34 psi. I'm going by psi, not bar, because I don't understand bar. Wow, they work pretty well. I thought they were going to wait a bit. Okay, rear left. I wonder if they're gonna throw out the wheel balance. I doubt it. Okay, that's the installation, which is pretty simple. And yep, I can see all of the tires. There's 2 batteries. I'm gonna need those batteries in future. It comes with a double-sided tape to mount it in your dash. Yeah, we're gonna mount it on my dash. What's a good location? I think that's a good location. Don't you guys think? I think that's a good location because that's where my 407 pass is. That's the GPS. Hold on. Just goes there. I should do it. Okay, so what do I see here? The tire pressure is 34 on each except the rear left, which is 35. It's totally fine. Now the other one, the 17 and 16, it's supposed to be in centigrade. That's the tire temperature. I'm a little skeptical. I find it a little bit too high for a weather like this, but I have been driving. I had a long day of driving. I probably drove about 150 kilometers today. I just came home and decided to make the video while the light's still there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go for a drive and I'm just gonna go up and down. I can hit over 100 kilometers on the road that I am in right now. And let's see if these temperatures changes. All right, so let's focus. Okay, I just did probably a 5 or 6 kilometer drive and the whole thing reset it and it's showing more realistic temperatures. So that tire pressure in the back, this changed to 35 and this was always 35, which makes sense because I tried to push them around 35. In the front it's 34, and the temperature, that's the biggest change, came down to like 16, 17 degrees to more realistic 2, 4, 3, and 4. That's what it should be in this temperature. I guess it was showing 16 or 17 because, I don't know, I was in the house, ambient temperature, whatever. So this is a couple of days down the road. I have been driving for about, I'm gonna say an hour and a half. I drove about, 200 kilometers and I'm speeding. I have a lot of stuff in the back, so a lot of weight in the back. And if you see the tire pressure is higher, my tire pressure is about 34 or 35. Right now, one of them is 38, and average is probably 36, which is expected because when you drive, tire heats up. And also, if you notice, the temperature of the tire is about 7 degrees Celsius, which also makes sense because I've been driving. I went outside, I haven't touched the tires are warm. So if you can see, there's a lot of snow. So the outside temperature is about -1 or -2, but the tire temperature is 7 degrees. So I don't want to draw the conclusion yet. I still have to, drive it for a season or so to have hard concrete evidence. But I am, so far what I see from this unit, I'm pretty happy. It's pretty good when it comes to getting the tire temperature and whatnot. So in summertime, this will be very helpful on the Z or the Skyline, so that it will give me a good indication what the temperature of the tire is, so that if I can push it or I should hold off. All right, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please hit the bell notification and the subscribe button. If you have any questions regarding this unit, leave me in the comment section. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. I will also share the link of the Amazon link that I bought this unit from. And hey, if you like it, you should buy it. Take care.